Good morning. Today we're opening up the qualifying vlog at the hotel. We're waiting for an Uber. I did my hair today. I had time. You guys like it? Is it nice? It's hair. Anyways, we're gonna take an Uber to the bowling center because we didn't wake up to go with Chris this morning so we could bring his car back. It's all good. It was relatively cheap considering I've been looking at Ubers from the airport to go home and they've been like $60. So this one was cheap. We're going to Steak and Shake for lunch.
Taxi might have ended up being cheaper.
Yeah, that's what Mom said. But it is what it is. Shout out to Ewok. He picked me up from the airport. If you know, you know. Part of the Discord. He's a very loyal member. So if you want to join, link in the description below. But we're going to Steak and Shake. We're going to answer some questions that I'm going to get from Instagram. So hopefully we get some good ones. All right, so I got some of these Instagram questions. We got some pretty good ones. Why is Mikey not the better bowler? Have you seen the points list?
I'm ahead of you.
For the summer tour?
That's 2 tournaments.
That means I'm better for 2 tournaments so far.
Nah, the doubles one's the only one you beat me. Doesn't mean you're better.
I'm still high. I was better. I beat you by over 100.
We're 1-1.
We're 1-1. You heard it here first. I finally got my first hit on the YouTube channel. Anyways,
It wasn't on the YouTube channel.
it's on the YouTube channel right now.
We didn't versus each other, so that one doesn't count. It wasn't head to head.
He admitted that he lost last weekend, so it's fine. I know in my heart, I kicked his ass.
I get it. You got to take it where you can get it. I understand.
I let him have him on YouTube because he's got to take it where he can get it. Anyways, all right, I like this question. What's a good bowling ball for you? What defines a good bowling ball?
If I throw it the way I want to and it does what I want to, that's it.
It's pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
I like bowling balls that are versatile. You know, play different parts of the lane with, do different things, pretty responsive to hand positions, yada, yada, yada.
It's like if I impart a certain degree of rotation and revolutions on it, it should do what I think it should do. And if it doesn't, it's just not a good bowling ball. That's if I don't know what it's going to do, then I'm not going to throw it.
That makes a lot of sense. All right. Next question. What's your favorite thing about being a professional bowler? You got to think about it. Mine is the people I get to meet, the people I get to travel with, and yeah, I think that's the best part of really doing anything in life is it's about who you're with and not necessarily what you're doing. Was your answer the same?
Sort of. I mean, like,
You want to pick one? I'll answer one more.
other than all the friends we've made, it's the most rewarding thing when you bowl good because you're beating a lot of the best bowlers on planet Earth, so it's pretty rewarding.
Well, that's our mini Q&A for today's vlog. If you enjoyed this and you want us to do this more often, then make sure you let us know in the comments below. Like the vlog as well. That really tells us that you guys like what's in this video. So let us know in the comments if you want us to do more Q&As, answer more of your questions in the vlogs. And it's kind of like what Packy's doing. We're copy and packing. He's got good ideas. Make sure you follow us both on Instagram though, because that's where we're fielding questions. Easy Mike Breezy and Vitamin D Tang. Alright, so we're walking to the bowling center from Steak and Shake, which is across the street, across a parking lot, across another parking lot. But it's not really pedestrian friendly. But we made it. Across the street, timed it right. We're gonna go see how Chris is doing. Tell the people how much of a good time this bowling here is.
You can tell by my facial expression that I'm having a really good time. Besides the really bad start, I bowled okay, but getting more than a double is a chore here.
Sneaking a couple big ones.
That's very easy to say and hard to do here. So
I have faith.
we'll see what happens.
I have faith.
Well, they are brutal. A lot of guys aren't feeling it mentally, and typically when they're hard, the guys that are strong up here do really well. So that's what we're gonna key on. We're gonna be patient. We're gonna hopefully stay in the pocket and be good upstairs, hopefully. Hopefully this is the one. The pin is in there. And hopefully it makes the pins go back that way. Yeah, I mean, I don't typically bowl too great when I bowl with either of these guys, so today should be a really good day. Yeah?
And they're hard.
Yeah. How's this? We got Mikey and Marshall. Oh, when is this ever gonna happen again?
I feel so bad for whoever follows us.
I don't know if we're even gonna help each other.
I don't know either.
Well, get some sleep. We're 7 deep. You guys are?
Tyler, Drew,
Aiden. I told you guys I wasn't gonna remember, so there was no way I was gonna introduce you guys. But anyways, they're the film crew. You guys gonna be here tomorrow?
Yes, probably.
All right. Hopefully I'm bowling so they can film. But yeah, let's just say that's gonna happen. Hey. All right. I like that. 270 is even better. Anyways, I'm like 20 something over. I probably need a good one here. A somewhat decent game. I just shot 220. Probably need one just like that, if not a little better. Cut it a lot closer than I'd like, but we got something to work with. Hopefully the pair's nice. Doesn't look too bad from what we're watching. What do you guys think?
I think you got it.
I like it. Both in. At 240 the last game. Unfortunately, Mikey backed up a little bit. Because you did, and they probably find out anyways. Actually, they're gonna find out before they even see this, so they'll already know.
Anyways, Mikey's 88 over. I got the 73. Chris, I think, is 65. Something like that. We should all be bowling pretty close tomorrow. So hopefully we all pop off. We're all bowling in the top 16.
I was an 8 going back.
The hired help, they came through. They brought the energy. Shout out to them though. Bowl DMC's bowling tomorrow. Always a good thing.